Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Yajamani POS system. In this video, we will see how to enable the appropriate business settings. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to settings and then go to business settings. So here you can uh, allocate or select appropriate settings according to your business needs. Okay, so first of all, business, here you can give the business name, okay, and the default profit percentage and the time zone and the symbol and the currency, and if you want to change the logo you can change it from here, and the transaction edit days, okay, and the date format here you can select it, and the time format you can select it here, and then here the stock accounting method, so here you can select it as a first in first out or last in first out. And one more important thing here is, if you don't know anything about any section or any option in this Yajamani POS system, you can simply put your cursor here on this help icon, so it will give a simple definition, so you can read it and you can use it accordingly. Okay, so this is the business section, and then the tax section, here you can enter your tax number, okay, and then if you want to enable this inline purchase and sale tax, so you can simply check this box, okay, and then coming to product, so here you can use it as a SKU prefix as SWW, or else if you want you can change it. Okay, so if you want to enable product expiry, you can enable it here. Okay, and if you want to add racks or warranty or row or position or subunits, you can simply enable or disable that, and then here if you want to select the default unit, then you can select it from here. Okay, or else leave it as it is. Okay, so you can select it while adding a product. Okay, and then contact, so here you can add a default credit limit, let's say for example 1 lakh or anything like that, so you can add a default credit limit here. Okay, and then coming to sale, here you can add the default sale discount, okay, and here the default sale tax, okay, and then here the sale commission agent, okay, so you can select it from the options here, and then here the commission calculation type, so whether it will be an invoice value or the payment received value, based on this you can give a sales commission to the sales commission agent, and then here the sales item addition method. Okay, so you can increase item quantity if it already exists, or add a new item in a new row, like that you can select it according to your business needs. And then here the amount rounding method, okay, so you can select the appropriate one, and then here you can select the allow overselling, so you can check this box, or else if you want to enable this, you can enable sales order, and the sale price is minimum selling price. Okay, so and then here you can enable the payment link also, so that whenever the a customer can come into your business location, you can simply forward a link and the customer can pay amount through that link. Okay, so by this you can enable this payment link also. And coming to this POS, by here you can add a shortcut, keyboard shortcuts also, to make a billing within no time or less time. Okay, and then here there are so many options available, so like POS settings, like disable multiple pay or disable draft or express checkout or discount. So if you, according to your business needs, you can enable or disable that. So you can enable this to edit the subtotal amount. So okay, so like that you can enable this to weighing scale. Okay, and then here print invoice on suspend. So like this, so many options are there, so according to your business needs you can select it. And here you can select the cash denominations like 10, 50, 20, 100, 200, 500, 1000 or 2000, like that. So and then here the weighing scale barcode settings, so here you can allocate according to your business needs. Okay, and then purchases, coming to purchases, so here you can enable, if you want a lot number you can check this box, or enable purchase order, you can check this box. Okay, so I have already enabled this editing product price from the purchase screen, and the purchase status. Okay, so like this you can enable that. And then coming to the dashboard, so you can here you can select the number of days to view a stock expiry alert for. So I have kept it for 30 days. Okay, so if you want to increase, or you can, if you want to decrease, you can decrease it also. And then coming to the system, here you can select that theme color, whether it is blue, black, purple, green or red. Okay, and then here you can increase the page entries like 50, 100, 200 or else to 1000 also. The page default datable page entries. Okay, and then here if you want to show the help text, you can enable this, or if you don't want to show the help text, you can disable that. Okay, so help text means this icon. Okay, so like this, if you can see it here, like product. So if you can see it here, this is the help icon. Okay, so if you want to show that, you can enable this. If you don't want to show that, you can disable that according to your needs. Okay, and then here the prefixes. So if you want to add any prefixes, you can add any prefixes to all the sections. Okay, and then here the email settings. So in order to send this notification templates, here you have to configure the email APIs. Okay, with all this username, password and the encryption and all those things. Okay, and then the similar to this SMS settings also, in order to send this SML notification templates, you have to make a the SMS API configuration. Okay, so and then here you can add any parameter value or the header key also. Okay, and then here the reward point settings. So here you can add the reward point settings, and another special video has been uploaded in the YouTube regarding how to enable the reward points, describing all the features. Okay, you can see that. And if you don't want to enable the reward point, you can simply disable this, or if you want to enable the reward point, you can simply check this box. Okay, and then here the modules. Coming to modules, here you can select the appropriate modules according to your business type. Okay, so if you want to enable the service stuff, you can enable that, or if you want to enable bookings, if your business is a restaurant, you can enable this. Okay, so like that you can enable that. And then coming to the custom labels. So here in each and every section, like contacts, products, customer contact customer fields, and then the product custom fields and the location custom fields. Okay, and the user custom fields. So in each and every field, there are customized fields are there. So if you want any, you can add any customized field. Like say for example, here I have added label for purchase custom items MRP. Is required? Yes, is required. So I have enabled it. So and another custom field is test. So it is required. Yes, it is required. So I have enabled that. So like this, you can mention a name, and then you can check this box is required, so that it will come accordingly into that particular purchase field. Okay, so after all that, you have done all the changes according to our business needs. Come to this bottom, and here you have to select the update settings. So then only whatever all the settings you have changed or edited or updated, so then it will apply according to that particular changes. So this is how you can change or edit or update this business settings according to your business needs. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.